Hi, this is the Xperia 10V and I'll show you how to customize the option on this device. So first open the AD application and here tap to AD section. To change the theme, select one from this available themes, click to apply. Here you could customize to change the backgrounds, to hide music controls, to activate the turn off notifications, calendar date, and to show battery status always while charging or never. Click to the X icon to go back, switch AD to the settings, tap to always on display. We could turn on and turn off this option with the help of the switcher. To show it on lock screen always while charging on music, we could use together or separately these two options. You could decrease or increase the brightness level to change the AD timeout. Low power after timeout to change the screen orientation, to close it with a double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on fingerprint on screen off, to set the shuttle, the start, the on time, to use it in pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize the option on our Xperia 10V. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.